Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dori, and today I want to talk to you about why I started this channel, and I want to give you a quick background story on what I want to achieve with my videos. While you wait for my next New Zealand video, which will come out on Thursday, I thought it would be a good idea to make a short video to explain to you what I want from this channel and what I want to bring to you. First of all, I also hit 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support. I really appreciate it and it means the world to me. I also really like the fact that I'm actually bringing value to you guys. The main reason why I actually started this channel is because I mainly want to bring you guys value, okay? I spend so much money, I spend so much time and energy on researching the right gear. Basically, I've made all the mistakes you could make and I bought the wrong gear. I spent so much money. So I kind of want to prevent you guys from making the same mistake and spending a lot of money on the gear that you don't need or the wrong gear for your trip. By that I mean I want to help you choose the right gear for your trip. There's a lot of videos coming about how to select the right gear, like how to select the right tent, backpack, anything you need for hiking, right? I'm working as fast as I can on this channel. The second thing I want to bring for you guys is tips and tricks videos about, what you need to do in certain situations. What if an emergency happens, hygiene routines, how you actually choose the right campsite, anything that will help you make your hike more comfortable. Thirdly, I want to inspire you. I know a lot of you guys watching this probably want to go on a hike, but you're scared or something's holding you back from actually doing it. Even though there's certain situations you will experience, there's nothing to be afraid of. I also want to prepare you guys, for the hike. So if you're watching my videos, you will see that, I'm a solo hiker myself. So I kind of want to inspire you guys to go out there. Someone once told me that 1 week of hiking is equal to a year of therapy, so maybe that's just exactly what you need. And then the last thing I want to do with this channel is, of course, share my experiences. And if you're anything like me, I love watching hiking videos about the Appalachian Trail, Pacific Crest Trail, the AT in New Zealand, European hikes, anything. But I'm more interested in the less popular hikes. I'm more interested in finding a beautiful hike which is undiscovered. Even though I do like the social aspect of hiking, but I do like it when it's something that is not been discovered yet. So to all of you, I would say if you like what you just heard, just please subscribe and definitely hit the notification bell because then you get notified once the next video is out. Lastly, I want to thank you guys for watching. I really love the support. Don't be afraid to comment below if there's anything you want me to include in this channel. And also, if there's anything you really don't like on this channel, I'm open to constructive feedback, so don't be afraid. I'm gonna do my best to keep up the value. Stay tuned.